Okay, so hey everyone, this is Rohit Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel Design Like Engineer. So in this video, we are going to design this simple mechanical part. This is a practice model, so I wish that you will watch the full video and also follow every single step that I will tell you in this video. And let's see how we're going to do that. But first of all, let's see how the drawing looks like and what is in the drawing. So now here is the drawing that I already had created. Now here you need to read these things that all the dimensions are in mm. Of course, all the dimensions are in mm. Subscribe the channel for more videos. Of course, you have to do that. And radius and fillet of the chambers. Radius of the fillet and the chamfer is 5 mm. Which one? Here. This fillet and the radius here. The dimension of all radius and chambers are 5 mm, and these are the basic details that are given in the drawing. So let's see how we're going to do that. So first of all, for making this one, we need to close this thing. So simply close this one and open a new one. As we know, let me see it's draw. Yeah, it's absolutely fine. So go to part. Now we need to define dimension, in which dimension we are going to work. So we need to select mmgs, millimeter gram and second, because it is the dimension on which we are going to work. Now here we also need to select a plane. So for designing this part, first we will create the bottom one, and then after this we will create the other parts, the upper parts, this one. Okay, so come here, come to top plane. Top plane is perfect. Now again, come here and find center rectangle. Make a rectangle like this. Center, not center rectangle, construction line. Here you see. Center line is also known as construction line because let me show you. Uh, Here you see. Now when you will click here you see for construction. That's why the center line is also called as construction line. So here we have the dimension of this one is not required. So no need to give dimension. Now here we just need to make the basic shape, basic size. Okay. So first we will make two circles, right? So come here again. mm, Come here, make a circle like this. Okay. One more line like this and do it like this. We just need this one. Let's extrude this thing like this. Now let me make one more line. Okay, just leave it. Here you see the relation is already given, which is tangent. Here if the relation is not given tangent, if it will not take a relation as tangent, then you have to do it one by one. Okay, first select this point and then select the circle, and it will automatically show you a relation here, and you simply have to select tangent. Now here you see this one is ready. Now come here, go to mirror entities. Now this time we need to mirror this thing, and where? Here. So that's why mirror about. You always have to select this one that I already had told you in my other videos. Now here we need to define the angle. So select this one, and let's define what is the angle. So the angle is 59.1 degree, 59.1 degree. So simply make this one 59.1. Okay, it's perfect. 59.1. And the diameter for this circle, this outer circle, here you see the diameter of this outer circle is 20 mm. Here is 20 mm. Sorry, not diameter, radius, because here you see the diameter for the inner circle is 20 mm. So you have to take the radius of this outer circle. It means diameter will be 40 mm. So you have to take, here you see. So simply come here and make this one 40. Simply make this one 40. Now here you see it perfect. Now what we need to do? Come here. Now we need to define some more points. Here you see. Here is the dimension given. The distance, the dimension of this line is 50 mm, and the distance from the center point to this point is 80. Okay, so first let's define this one as 50, and then after this we will define this one as 80. So let's make this one 50 first. Come here, make this one 50. Now select this point and select this center point, and let's make this one like this, and make this one how much? How much is in the drawing? It's 80. So let's make this one 80. Let's do it 80. Now here you see. Now it looks absolutely fine. Now no need to do anything. Simply come here, select construction line. You can also call it as a geometry line. Simply make this one line and complete this profile. Okay. Now come here and trim this thing. Now here you see. Now we need to extrude this one, but how much? So go to extruded boss base, and how much we need to extrude? Let me see. Is there any dimension given? Yeah, we need to extrude this one around 10 mm. Here you see. This is the bottom profile. So we need to extrude this thing around 10 mm. Here you see 10 mm, right? So 10 mm is fine. Here you see 10 mm is already given. Actually 10 mm is by default. It is a standard. Otherwise you could change the dimension. No need to worry about it. Now come here. Here you see. Here also a little bit of fillet. So what's the radius of fillet we need? Let's make this on 5. Okay. Go to fillet. Make this on 5. Select this point and select this point. Now here you see it looks absolutely perfect, and make this one okay. Now here you see it's done. Now what we need to do? We need to make this part. Now here you see the radius of this arc is 15 mm. Here you see. Let me zoom in. The radius of this arc is 15 mm. So we have to make a circle with a diameter of 30, and when we will make half of the circle, it will automatically take a radius as 15. So come here, make a sketch, select this one and convert this as entity. We just need this line. You can also make the line manually. Now come here and find the center point. Here you see this is the center point. Make a circle like this and give diameter how much? 30, because the radius that we need is 15. So simply come here, trim entities, and simply trim this thing. Now go to feature, go to extruded cut and cut this thing complete. Now here you see it's blind and 10, which is by default. You can also select through all. Now here you see our base profile is ready. Base flange, you can also call it as a flange. The base part is ready. Now here we need to do some more thing. Select this point, this face, and make a sketch. Here we already had selected the center point. Simply make a circle like this. Now make sure that the diameter of the circle will exactly equal to the diameter of this circle that we had made here. Now no need to do anything. Go to feature, go to extruded boss base, and how much we need to extrude? Let me see. Is there any dimension given? Yeah, we need to extrude this one around 30 mm. So let's extrude this thing around 30 mm. So come here and go to blind and make this one 30 mm, but in backward direction, in opposite direction. Make this one okay. Now here you see it looks absolutely fine. 30 mm. Now come here, sketch. Now we need to make a hole here. So here we already have a center point or origin point. Make a circle like this, and this time give diameter as 15. Why 15? Because come here, in drawing it is also not 15. Let's make this one 20. It's a mistake. The diameter of this circle is 20. So let's make this one 20. 20. Okay. Go to feature. Go to extruded cut. This time, yeah, it's blind and 30 mm. You can also select through all. When you will select through all, it will completely make a hole. It will completely remove the whole section that you have selected as per your drawing, and make this one okay. Now here you see this profile is ready. Now what do we need to do? Come here. Let me see. Dimension is equal. Yeah. We need to make one more thing here. But how? Let me show you. We have to make a sketch here, but we need to extrude this thing in upward direction. Right? Come here. Make a sketch. Now what do we need to do? Again, you need to make a circle with a diameter of 60 mm, because here you see the radius of this arc is 30 mm. So let's come here, go to circle, find the origin point of the circle, and here is the circle, and make this one 60. Okay, simply select this line. Let me do it manually. Make a line like this, come here and make a line like this. Go to trim entities. Now here you see. Now go to feature, go to extruded boss base. But we need to extrude this one in opposite direction, in upward direction. And how much we need to extrude? Come here. We need to extrude this one around how much? 70 mm. Here you see 70 mm. Come here and give dimension 70 mm and make this one okay. Now here you see it get extruded. Now what we need to do? Let me zoom it out. Now here you see here we need to make some more thing. So how? This time we will make this thing. So how we will make this one? Uh, yeah, we will make this one like this. Let me zoom in. We need to make some more profiles here. So how? Mm, come here. Actually, it's not given that how much we need to extrude this thing, the dimension of this one. So we will take it as here you see the dimension given here. It's 20, right? So come here on this face, make a sketch. Now we need to make profile here. Simply make a circle somewhere like this here. One more circle like this. Now we need a construction line or center line because we will mirror this thing on the left right side also here on this side. Now here we need to select the dimension. Let's specify the dimension, the diameter of outer circle. How much? Let me zoom in. Here you see the radius of this outer arc is 10 mm, so the diameter of the outer circle will be 20 and the diameter of the inner circle will be 10. So let's make this one 20 and this one as 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, let's leave this one. We will make a hole later on. Remove this one. Now we need to specify the position. So how much? Here you see. Distance from the bottom line is 42.54. 42.54. Okay. So go to smart dimension, select the center point and select this point and how much? 42.54. So the distance from the bottom line is 42.54. 42.54. Okay, and means okay. Now here you see. Let me check. It's 27.46. Is it 27.46? Yeah, it's absolutely perfect. And how much we need to extrude this thing? We need to extrude this thing around 20 mm. Here you see. Here is the dimension given. 20. This one. You see? 20 mm. So come here. Go to mirror entities. Mirror this thing. Mirror about. Select here. Now, go to feature, go to extruded box base, and how much we need to extrude? Simply change the direction because we need to extrude this thing in this direction and make this one 20. Now here you see and make this one okay. Now what we need to do? We just need to make hole here. Come here, go to circle, find origin point, make a circle like this. Again here, you can also use mirror entities, but let's do this thing. Select all both the circle and make relation equal. Okay, this time let's define the diameter of this circle. So how much was the diameter of the circle? The diameter of the internal circle is 10 mm. Okay, so 10. Go to extruded cut and not blind, select through all. Here you see it happen. Simply blind because it's 20. It shows you the yellow section and make this one okay. Why 10? Because here you see here is 10. The diameter of the outer circle is the double of the radius of this arc, which is 10, and the double of the radius is 20 mm, and the diameter is This is the symbol of diameter and it's 10 mm. Now everything is done. What we need to do? We just need to make this thing. And here you see the angle is not given. So we will make it from ourselves. We just need to make sure that the whole part will lie on the inside of it. Okay. So find a frame which lies exactly in the middle of it and this side here in this middle. So right plane, make a sketch. One more somewhere from here, somewhere from here, and something like this. And how much we need to extrude? Go to extruded boss base. This time select mid plane because we need to extrude this thing in both directions equally. And how much we need to extrude? 10 mm. Yes, 10 mm. We need to extrude this thing 10 mm means 5 mm in this direction, left direction, and 5 mm in the right direction. Okay, so give dimension 10 and make this one okay and simply make this one done. Now here you see. Now here we need to make chamfer and fillets. So simply we will make a chamfer here. So select this corner like this. Select this corner. Here you see. So go chamfer. Make this one 5 and make this one okay. Now here you see. Now we need to make fillets here. Here you see. Fillet there on this side, and this side. Okay, and also fillet here. So come here. Go to fillet. 5 mm. Select this corner. Select this corner. Select this one. Okay. Delete this thing and make this one okay. Now here you see. Again go to fillet. Select this one. Select this one. Now here you see it get copied. Make this one okay. Let's get back. Fillet. Select this corner. Now when you will select the another one, it will give you some options. So here you see. Now you can select as per your convenience. Simply select this one. Right feature 11 hits. It means that it will make impact on 11 hits. So it's not working. So we will do it manually one by one. So simply this one. Simply this one too. Simply select this one. This one also. This one. This one. And this one. Now also this corner. This corner. This corner and this corner. Here you see. And make this one okay. Now here you see. Now what? Everything is done. Do we need anything to do in this drawing? In this model? No. Actually no. So this is our final model and this is how the model looks like something this. So no need to worry. Here is our final model. So we learned a new thing in this video. I hope that you liked the video. You can also practice on your own. This is just a practice model, not a very serious thing, but everything is important and practice is really very important. So you have to practice it on your own. So don't worry, just go open your laptop, practice, subscribe the channel, watch my videos, click on the bell notification icon, and also subscribe the channel so you will get notified every time when I upload a new video. So in this video, I taught you something new and I tried my best to teach you something new. So I hope that you liked the video. So please like this video. I already had requested you to subscribe the channel and thanks for watching. Bye.